In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a welcome email in Mailchimp step by step so you can create a better first impression for new subscribers and make sure your automation looks exactly the way you want it to. Welcome emails are one of the most important messages you can send because they set the tone for your brand, introduce your offer, and help new contacts feel confident about joining your list. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the automations area because that's where you'll build and edit your customer journey. Click on automations to open the automation tools. Now you want to create or open your welcome email journey. If you're starting fresh, click on build from scratch. This gives you full control over the flow and lets you customize everything from the trigger to the email content. Next, you'll be asked to type a name for your journey. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple automations. After naming the journey, click on Choose a Trigger. This is the event that starts the welcome email, and for a standard welcome message, you'll want to choose Signs Up for Email. That tells Mailchimp to send the email automatically whenever someone joins your list. Once you select that trigger, click Save Trigger. Now, it's time to build the email itself. In the Journey Builder, find the Send Email action and drag it into the flow. This is the step that creates your welcome email message. After placing it in the journey, you'll need to configure the email settings. Start with the to and from details, so the email is sent from the right address and appears professional to your new subscriber. Next, type your subject line. Keep it clear, friendly, and relevant to the welcome experience. A good subject line can improve opens and help your email feel more personal. After that, click Select a Template. This is where you choose the layout for your welcome email. If you already have a template saved, go ahead and find that template and click Apply. Using an existing design can save time and keep your branding consistent. Once the template is loaded, you can edit the email completely however you want. Update the text, images, buttons, colors, and layout so it matches your brand and gives subscribers a strong welcome experience. You can add a greeting, explain what they can expect from your emails, include a helpful resource, or point them towards your website or offer. Take your time here and make sure every section looks clean and intentional. The goal is to make the email feel useful and polished, not rushed. When you're happy with the design and content, click Save and Return to Journey. That will bring you back to the automation flow so you can review everything one more time. At this point, if Mailchimp asks you to upgrade your plan to continue, you'll need to click Upgrade to Continue and follow the prompts for your account plan. Once the upgrade step is complete, you can run the journey and activate the welcome email automation. After that, your new subscribers will start receiving the email automatically based on the trigger you selected, and that's it. You've now edited your welcome email in Mailchimp and set it up inside a customer journey. This is a great way to improve your onboarding, build trust with new subscribers, and make your email marketing feel much more professional. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.